Imagine a tablet with a built-in projector, two floodlights so bright they could light up a campsite, and a battery so massive it could outlive your phone, your laptop, and probably your weekend. Sounds insane, right? Well, this isn't science fiction. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme tablets ever built, the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because there's one outrageous feature that makes this device unlike anything else on the market. Let's start with the basics. This monster is the follow-up to the Armor Pad 4 Ultra, but Ulefone has gone absolutely overboard this time. The Pad 5 Ultra comes with an 11-inch FHD Plus LCD screen running at 90 Hz and pushing up to 600 nits of brightness. Under the hood, you've got a MediaTek Dimensity 7400X processor, 12 GB of RAM, and a whopping 512 GB of storage, expandable all the way to 2 TB. But here's where it starts getting wild. Flip it over, and you'll find not just a 64-megapixel main camera, but another 64-megapixel night vision camera. Yes, night vision. And if that's not enough, Ulefone decided to bolt on not one, but two 1,000-lumen LED floodlights, basically giving your tablet the ability to double as a portable spotlight. Of course, all of this runs on an absolutely gigantic 24,200 mAh battery. That's more than 10 times what most smartphones carry. It supports 120-watt fast charging, and, if you need, it can charge other devices, acting as a power bank. But all that power comes at a cost. This thing is 27.8 millimeters thick and tips the scales at 1.6 kilograms. It's built like a tank, waterproof, dustproof, and MIL STD 810H certified. In short, you could probably drop it off a cliff and it would still power on. But here's the kicker, the feature I teased earlier. The Armor Pad 5 Ultra comes with a built-in projector. That's right, a projector. It beams at 200 lumens with a resolution of 960 by 540 and even has a handle that doubles as a stand, so you can set it up anywhere, whether you're in a tent, a cabin, or stuck without a TV. And the price for this all-in-one survival tablet? $599, shipping with Android 15. Ulefone is also planning a cheaper Armor Pad 5 Pro for $499, but that one ditches the projector. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate rugged tablet, or just too much of a gimmick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you love seeing the wildest tech on the planet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is one device you'll either laugh at or secretly want to own.